Apply 2 coats of base color. Now apply your glitter shapes. Now I'm using silver stars and moons and iridescent hexagons. Add a clear based gel first so the glitter sticks and cures into the gel. Cure for 30 seconds. Now apply chrome flakes. The base gel leaves a tacky layer. This helps with the chrome sticking right on. Rub some of it in a in and the rest leave flaky. Now we're gonna go in with white gel ink. You can also use regular white gel polish. You just have to use very little. I like to do it in a S design or swirl. Now that that's down, I'm gonna use a brush and dip it in acetone, and that's gonna cause the white to separate and give it that Milky Way look. Then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Add another layer of base gel and lock in the design. Cure 60 seconds. Add top coat. That's how I got these cute blue galaxy nails.